Hello everyone, my name is Rishika Deveshri and today I will be presenting on philosophies and theories of human development in socio-cultural contexts. To begin with, what is human development? Human development is the process of people's freedom and increases opportunities while it also improves the overall well-being. Human development is the social cultural context that occurs through the relation of a child and the culture in which he or she grows for the society of interaction, skills, practices, and values and shared by groups of people. In this essay, we will discuss the perceptions, construct, philosophies, and theories of human development in socio-cultural contexts. So, what is human development in social cultural context? Social cultural context basically connects the idea of language not existing in confinement, that is, the link that relate closely to the culture and society in which it is used. Socio-cultural elements in which growth by providing it with a social framework. The numerous social cultural consequences of the action that a child encounters are taught by them, and as a result, the child develops a personality that is shaped by their experiences. Culture context usually influence the development of a child from the moment they are born, making an impact as they grow. The social cultural perspective looks like human behavior and understand personality development by carrying out the rules of social groups and subgroups in which the individual is a member. Now let's talk about some of the Western theories of human development. In this slide, I will discuss the three theories in which is Erikson's psychological theory, Vygotsky's social development theory, and Piaget's theory of cognitive development. Firstly, let's talk about Erikson's psychological theory. Erikson's theory states that people progress and are becoming more advanced through these stages of development based on how they respond to social crises throughout their lives. Erikson believes that a person goes through 8 development stages, each of which builds on the previous one. His theory explains how our growth and development are influenced by our social interactions. Psychosocial development is divided into 8 stages, each with its own role and goals. Secondly, Leo Vygotsky's theory of social development. Leo Vygotsky's theory of social development in 1896 to 1934 explains how socialization influences an individual learning process on their social development theory. It makes or attempts to explain awareness as a result of socialization. This means that when we communicate with our friends or adult people, we do so for the purpose or talk to them for the sake of communication. Vygotsky's theory consists of three major key elements: social interactions, the more knowledgeable other, which is MKO, and the zone of proximal development, which is ZPD. Thirdly is Piaget's theory of cognitive development. According to Jean Piaget's theory of cognitive development, children's intelligence change over time. A child's cognitive development entails more than just acquiring information. The child must also create or develop mental model of the world. Each child goes through the stages in some order. The order development is influenced by biological maturation and environmental interaction. Each stage of development involves a different type of intelligence and the child's thinking to the qualitative differently from the previous stages. Now let's talk about human development in my own context. Human development simply in my own context is a series of change in the body that every individual is going through and also they are responsible for it. The process of expanding people's freedom and opportunities while improving their well-being to refer to as human development. It is also refers to people's ability to choose who they are, what they do, and how they live. Now let's look out what are the current perspective of human development. From my understanding, Vygotsky's theory of social development explains how socialization influences an individual's learning process in their social development theory. This theory views on human development as a process in which students acquires their cultural values, beliefs, and problem solving strategies through cooperative communication with more advanced members of society. Educators can use this concept to check a child's development and how he or she develops and think broadly in order to be independent in life. To conclude, people should know the importance about this module of human development. We can gain a better understanding of ourselves and what is going on around us by studying human development in a socio-cultural context. We can also learn about the various stages of development and adjust our lives to successfully complete all of them. This model can help one another gain a better understanding of how our bodies and minds develop. Thank you.